All right, so today we have our F-150 Lightning, and as you can tell, we need new wipers. So it is pretty easy. You basically have a little hook on the back of this. You pull that back, and then that old one is off. That is garbage. And we're going to use the Rain-X Latitude. And you do have a set of instructions. So basically, if you're following along, you're basically snapping the top off, hooking it, and then putting the latch back on. So I'll kind of show you that. So that is your latch. Get a little like flathead screwdriver, and then you can get into there. And then that is your little hook. And then what you are doing is you're just basically simply pulling that up, locks into place. Then that snaps in. And then make sure you take off your little yellow protector. And let's go to the other side. And then same process. Just pull that little hook down. And that's what it looks like from the reverse side. And then just pop this up. It's open. Slide that down. Hook in place. And then snap that shut. And you're good to go. Anyway, Brian from Garage Hall. Thanks for watching and be safe out there.